आई डिसाइडेड कि भैया शादी तो लड़की के घर जाके ही होती है। जब वो शहनाई बजने लगी, जब वो बैंड बजने लगा ना, तब मुझे लगा कि लाइफ में बैंड बज गया भाई। यही
Pare, which is cheers.
This is our snack.
This is your snack. I can't wait for the main course, guys.
It's something so healthy that I'm shocked. I'm so ghee paratha.
All I ate was dahi and
He's having Manipuri soup in a very Haryanvi style.
मेरे दोस्त बोलने लगे, बोला भाई शादी करने आया है, कुछ पार्टी करेंगे या मंदिर या तीर्थ यात्रा पे लेके आया है।
केडी मुझे दारू कहा है।
मणिपुर से ड्राई स्टेट। मैं कहा ठीक है यार, या जाट बेइज्जती कराने थोड़ी आ रहे हैं। मैंने पूछा यार ये बोल किस लिए छतरी? तो बोले कि इन केस यू फील लाइक seeing that chhatri is there and the bowl is there.
Chhatri to hide.
Yeah.
yes.
And bowl to
आप
pee.
पूछ नहीं सकते। हाँ, my parents were in awe. यार इतने civilized लोग हैं ये। हमारे ब्याह में तो 5-10 सुथरे लोग आवे हैं, यार तो सारे सुथरे हैं।
I love Haryanvi people because they are so straightforward.
Yeah.
There's no filter.
बॉक्सर तो है इंडिया में, अच्छे हरियाणा के हुए हैं, के मणिपुर के हुए हैं। He brought us two boxing gloves.
This is Haryana versus Manipur.
How do you say I love you in Haryanvi and in your language?
हरियाणवी में तो प्यार का लव का शब्द नहीं होता, रोटी बना रहे जाएगी।
Aina Nambu Nushi.
You love me.
He knows that I love jewelry, so he'll go and buy something on his own.
करना पड़ता है भाई, करना पड़ता है।
रोलिंग एक्शन।
हरियाणा का जाट known for its rugged charm meets मणिपुर की मेम who's an archery champ turned model and actress। इनका निशाना सीधा उस जाट के दिल पे जाके लगा and फिर होना क्या था? Of course they got married in a beautiful Manipur style and are living happily after। और आज इन दोनों ने मुझे बुलाया है अपने ऑफिस में to enjoy a delicious Manipuri brunch which is going to be prepared by Randeep Hooda and his wife Lynn Laishram। So on this episode of Sunday Brunch, ये गैंगस्टर साहिब और बीवी के साथ एक ऑथेंटिक मणिपुरी ब्रंच एंजॉय करने वाली है। Let's go।
Hi. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Long time.
Yes, good to see you।
Hello.
Thank you। आज मेन्यू में मणिपुरी फूड है जो मैंने कभी नहीं खाया। आप तो लकी है खाते रहते हो।
हाँ, मैं खाता रहता हूँ। मुझे भी नहीं पता था इसके बारे में। You'll be surprised how tasty it is.
Does it take over the Haryanvi food or not?
Haryanvi food is
You should ask me.
more basic.
I love your office space। मतलब
Thank
I'm
you.
confused मैं मुंबई में भी हूँ या नहीं। इतनी ग्रीनरी कहाँ मिलती है? Wow।
This is a place where I spend a lot of time writing, preparing, meeting people. So this is my nice little writing corner.
I can see the piano there. कौन play
Yeah.
करता है piano?
I'm learning. We're both learning, in fact.
And he's a man of many interests. कभी horse riding. The first time we met, we were doing horse riding.
Yeah,
And I
yeah.
heard Lynn, आप भी archery champ रह चुकी है.
Yes.
थोड़ा इधर इस तरफ.
इधर लग गया।
सब दिल में लग रहा है, सब सारे बाण दिल में लग रहे हैं।
Have a beautiful outdoor space as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Welcome to my outdoor little
Thank you। बहुत सुंदर जगह।
under the tree.
I mean if I was you,
even
मैं यहीं रहती बस। मैं कहीं नहीं जाती, मैं काम पर भी नहीं जाती।
That was the suggestion I gave him.
Firstly, congratulations to both of you।
Thank you.
हमने इंटरनेट पर आपकी बहुत सुंदर सुंदर फोटोज देखी of the wedding। तो पहले तो मैं ये जानना चाहूंगी how did this Haryanvi boy make his way to Manipur? कितने सालों से जानते हैं आप एक दूसरे को?
15 odd years.
2011. When I came back from New York, he was one of the first people, like, you know, from Nasir sir's theatre troupe that I met. And he helped me get casting directors' names and all of that. Like, he didn't know me, so
So
that
you
was...
both were in the acting school at the same time. Is that
हम एक्टिंग स्कूल में नहीं थे, मैं मोटली में उन दिनों काम कर रहा था. कौन सा प्ले चल रहा था? आर्म्स एंड द
Arms and the
मैन.
Man.
She had joined in to be a part of it, to you know
Production. वो
Production.
लास्ट में जो झाड़ू the light off करके जो था, I used to do that. They were senior and, like, you know, I just joined, no work.
It was COVID which actually our
Brought us
friendship
together.
brought us together more. और कोविड में इन्होंने मुझे क्या क्या बना के खिलाया यार, मैं तो पागल ही हो गया.
so it's true. A way to man's heart is through stomach. खाना
Yes,
खाकर आप.
yes. और वो भी उसके लिए जो कि इतना फूडी नहीं है.
I mean, initially we were just friends. I got to know about him more. I had seen Monsoon Wedding, which was brilliant. And after that, I left India. So मैंने कई फिल्में इनकी देखी नहीं. So I was not sure that who he is or how famous. So when he helped me, I kind of like, you know, oh, he's a nice guy. You know, that kind of feeling started, but not like as anything. But
Yeah.
I kept in touch with him because I was curious as an actor what goes on.
Yeah.
Because when he was shooting in Highway, so he messaged me on Facebook one day, like, you know, I said, how's your shoot going and all of that. And the intensity that he was going through, and I was very mesmerized by, wow, you know, मुझे कब करने को मिलेगा. That was the admiration I have for his work and his dedication.
हमने उम्मीद छोड़ दी थी कि आप अब शादी वादी नहीं करेंगे.
सबने छोड़ दी
सबने
थी, मैंने भी छोड़ दी थी, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने भी छोड़ दी थी. बहुत ही अच्छा स्टेप रहा मेरी लाइफ में. मेरे को इसने काफी काम कर दिया है. I eat healthier. I have better hours. I don't stay up all night. जिस टाइम में सोता था आजकल उस टाइम में उठता हूँ.
That's a good one.
That's a good change, definitely.
When he took me to Haryana, to his village,
Yeah.
तो क्या हुआ? मैं jeans और sweatshirt पहन के गई थी. It's a funny incident. मम्मी का कॉल आता है कि घूंघट लेके जाना
घूंघट
है.
नहीं.
मतलब सलवार सूट
हाँ.
पहन के जाना है. Then ऐसे कि कहाँ मिलेगा सलवार सूट अभी?
तो आई कॉल माई कजन जो वहाँ पे रहती थी. मैं कहा यहाँ पे कोई ऐसी जगह बता जहाँ मिलेगा.
सलवार सूट मिलेगा.
तो फिर हमने रोकी गाड़ी, फटाफट ही अंदर गई, चेंज करके ही बाहर आए. मैंने कहा चल अभी लेके जा सकते हैं.
Then he added this कि घूंघट डालना पड़ेगा.
घूंघट नहीं डाला, तूने सर पे वो डाला था.
What is this?
घूंघट is
घूंघट? Oh,
full.
sorry. Not that.
हाँ.
But it was
मैं
on
बोला
my
कि
head.
दुपट्टा डाला
भाई
था
एक बार हाँ
basically.
सर पे दुपट्टा डाल लो. बिकॉज जहाँ पे आप जाओ वहाँ का
Yes.
होना चाहिए. and ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि there is a sense of disrespect to
Yeah.
those people.
So his chachi came and I touched her feet and she's very loving, okay? And she's like holding me, my hand and all that. And she
नहीं हटा दो, अब हम ही दुखी हो रहे इतने सालों से.
ऐसे करके हटा दिया and it was so cute and laughed at him. ऐसे कि किसने बोला ये करने? I said, no, auntie, like, you know, chachi, it's okay. She knew where I came from and she was like, you know, you tried and then, you know, it's all happening. So just leave
that
that.
effort goes a
Yeah.
long way. So
Of course.
immediately people warmed up. फिर इसको घर वर दिखाया हमारा पुराना गांव का. 3 चाचा हैं तो सबके घर भी गए. मैं कहा चल भाई सबसे मिलके आते हैं. वो यहाँ पे आए थे एक बार पहले बॉम्बे, तो तब भी मैंने मिलाया था. तो वो तो मिलते ही बोले ब्याह कर ले अब कर ले. मगर नहीं सोच रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, सोच रहे देख रहे. क्या सोचेगा, बुढ़ा हो गया, ये ब्याह कर ले.
I love Haryanvi people because they are so straightforward.
Yeah.
There's no filter.
No filter.
जो है वही है. आप अच्छे तो अच्छे, बुरे तो बुरे.
हमारा जो स्पेशली हरियाणा में तो दिल्ली से प्रॉक्सिमिटी होने की वजह से बहुत सारा कल्चर मिक्स हो गया है और हमारे अपने रीति रिवाज थोड़ा सा पीछे जा रहे हैं, जो कि नहीं होना चाहिए. और उस वक्त वहाँ पे बहुत वायलेंस चल रहा था. ये बोल रही थी कि वहाँ नहीं जाते हैं बिकॉज हर पेरेंट्स वर ऑल्सो कंसर्न कि भाई यहाँ पे क्या होगा, सिक्योरिटी वगैरह ये वो. आई डिसाइडेड कि भैया शादी तो लड़की के घर जाके ही होती है. तो फिर हमने थोड़ा एफर्ट किया कि वो जाके, हम बहुत 5-10 लोग भी नहीं थे पूरी बारात में. इसने मुझे पहले मणिपुरी खाना यहाँ खिलाया था और जब मैं इनके घर गया एवरीबडी वाज लाइक पता नहीं कैसा खाना होगा या कैसा होगा, किसी ने देखा नहीं था, मैंने खुद ने नहीं देखा था. एवरीबडी वाज लाइक क्या मिलेगा पता नहीं. हमने लंच सर्व किया व्हिच वाज all vegetarian and cooked in their style of without the masalas and stuff that we use here. चौंक वोंक के बगैर था काफी कुछ. और जब हमने खाया तो सभी लोग सेकेंड थर्ड सब खाते रहे.
I told my mom that ये लोग ज्यादा नहीं खाते. we are rice eater, right? हमारा राइस इतना होता है. So I say कि माँ, you know, like they'll eat very little. एक बार, दो बार, तीन.
खाना कम पड़ गया क्या?
नहीं पड़ा था, but I was like, oh, अच्छा लगा. That was the funniest part.
I have been a vegetarian. मतलब मैं बचपन से, मैंने फर्स्ट ईयर कॉलेज में आके चिकन विकन खाया था, तो मेरे को तो वो इतना रास आया कि पूछो मत. मैतेई ट्रेडिशन को भी, ट्राइबल ट्रेडिशन को भी और हिंदू ट्रेडिशन दोनों को हम लोग रिस्पेक्ट देंगे. तो इसी ने प्लान किया था. तो पहले हम मंदिर में गए, विच इज अ हॉर्स गॉड, और यहाँ पे मेरे हाथ में इनकी एक रिलेटिव ने आके घोड़ा दिया, विच इज रेयरिंग अप, सफेद घोड़ा. एक हाथ में छोटी पोलो स्टिक और बॉल, और ये लेके नंगे पैर सीढ़ियां चढ़ रहे हैं. और आई एम लुकिंग एट इट, मैं कह यार ये क्या है. मेरी जिंदगी में घोड़े और यहाँ पे घोड़ों का भगवान. दैट वाज अ वेरी बिग आई ओपनर. सो वी वेंट देयर एंड डिड दैट. गोविंदा जी के मंदिर में गए, तो जिसके बाद तक मेरे दोस्त बोलने लगे, बोला भाई शादी करने आया है, कुछ पार्टी करेंगे, या मंदिर या तीर्थ यात्रा पे लेके आया है.
ये नहीं मुझे दारू कहा है.
Yeah, exactly. All North Indian boys. You know.
हरियाणा.
तो एंड मणिपुर इज अ ड्राई स्टेट.
I felt so bad. Like, and I couldn't offer anything.
Nobody was expecting कि क्या होगा. किसी ने ध्यान नहीं दिया था. वहां गए, my sister, my mother, my niece, they were dressed in this Manipuri attire. और मुझे भी पूरा धोती कुर्ता वगैरह ये वो. तो हेल्पर होता है, तो उसने कपड़े वपड़े खुद पहनाते हैं अपने, आप नहीं पहन सकते.
You are just supposed to
You are
wake up
just-
and be there.
You are just there. You have to do
Like a
nothing.
king.
कपड़े पहनाएगा, ये करेगा, बार बार ये साफ करेगा, ये करेगा, फिर मेकअप करेगा. मैं क्या मेकअप का कोई पता नहीं. तो लुक गुड. और फिर वहां से वो शुरू हुई और उन्होंने मुझे पगड़ी पहनाई. बोले अब पगड़ी पहन ली ना, कोई फालतू मूवमेंट नहीं, कुछ नहीं, ये पगड़ी गिरनी नहीं चाहिए एंड ऑफ द सेरेमनी. और अगर ये हिल गई तो प्रॉब्लम है. उसने बताया सेरेमनी के अंदर यू हैव टू गो सिट देयर, और हिलने का नहीं, हंसने का नहीं, आंखें नहीं इधर उधर करने का, चुपचाप सीधा जितना तुम स्टिल बैठोगे ऐसे बैठा देते हैं जाके, ऐसे स्ट्रेट बैक, यू नो. आई एम लाइक ऐसे करके बैठा दिया. और बोलता है जितना तुम नहीं हिलेगा उतना तुम अच्छा मैतेई ग्रूम होगा. तो मैं कहा ठीक है यार, या जाट बेइज्जती कराने थोड़ी आ रहे हैं. मैं मगा चल भाई, तू ऐसी मेथड एक्टिंग करूंगा मैं. ब्रास बैंड एक ही जगह बजा, वो ब्रास बैंड बजता है. सिक्योरिटी बहुत थी, तो आर्मी वाले लोग बहुत थे, और भी बहुत लोग थे. देन आई वाज गिवन अ बोल, मिरर, एन अम्ब्रेला, और वो मेरे दोस्तों को उठाना था. और हम लोग गए, तो वहां पे मुझे रियलाइज हुआ जब वो शहनाई बजने लगी और सब लोग गए, और हम 10 ही लोग थे, ज्यादा नहीं थे, 10-15 लोग थे. माय फादर वाज देयर. हम लोग जो चल के गए, और वहां पे जब वो बैंड बजने लगा ना, तब मुझे लगा कि लाइफ में बैंड बज गया भाई.
बैंड बजी के अच्छा अभी तो अच्छा हुआ.
खास बैंड बज गया मेरा. और वहां से दैट वॉक ऑफ थिंग, इट वाज वेरी नर्वस एंड ऑल दैट. देन दे गो देयर एंड दे बर्न थिंग्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड दे डिड ऑल थिंग्स. मैंने पूछा यार ये बोल किस लिए है, छतरी. तो बोले कि इन केस अभी तुम ऐसे बैठे रहोगे, इन केस यू फील लाइक peeing, that chhatri is there and the bowl is there, and it's for, I mean, must have other purpose.
Chhatri to hide.
Yeah.
Yes.
And bowl to
आप
pee.
उठ नहीं सकते. हाँ, तो मैं
कहाँ
यार,
गया था?
मैं कहा थैंक गॉड आज पानी ज्यादा नहीं पिया. फिर मैंने देखा तो it was all these people who were so beautifully dressed and I felt like I'm in another world. और फिर हम गए अंदर, और मेरे को जाके एक वेटिंग एरिया में उन्होंने रख दिया. हरियाणा में तो क्या होता है कि चपट्टा वपट्टा मार के कपड़े फाड़ देते हैं कि फोटो ये वो भाई है, अपना भाई है. Everybody stood in a line to take a picture with me and I was made to sit there because I had a bad knee, so I had to sit on a chair. And that guy would keep fixing my fixing this. ये एक सलवट भी आ जाए तो he'll come and सबने आके में से एक करके फोटो खिंचाई. Prawal was with me. Prawal was also director friend. Prawal, he was also there with me. So we were just talking. बोले यहाँ पे हंस लो, जो करना है कर लो, खुजली होगा ये होगा, जो करना है कर लो. So that took a long time. And then the music started, and then these mridangs, they're doing somersaults and yeah and oh, and I could just hear it. मैं कहा देखूं जब तुझे देखना है मेरे को. बैठा रहा. It took a while, and then they brought me in, and the whole place was like, oh. मैं कहा चलो यार कुछ इंपॉर्टेंस मिल रही है ससुराल में आके.
अब लग रहा है शादी हो
हाँ,
गई है.
फिर मुझे वहां बैठा दिया उसने ऐसे, और मेरे को चद्दर से कवर कर दिया. अभी मुझे खुजली भी हो तो मुझे उसको बताना है कि कान में खुजली हो रही है, he'll do this. तो कहीं लेफ्ट में नहीं राइट में हो रही है, he'll do this. They make your mom sit right in front of you outside the mandap. तुम्हारी माँ तुम्हारे सामने बैठती है, यू हैव टू कीप, सो यू कांट लुक एनीवेयर, यू कीप लुकिंग एट योर मदर।
और द तुलसी।
और द तुलसी, तुलसी होती है आग नहीं होती, तुलसी के फेरे होते हैं।
अच्छा।
और फेरे सिर्फ लड़की लेती है। आई वॉज गॉड दैट डे, आई वॉज विष्णु और व्हाटएवर इट वाज। एंड मेरी माँ हंसे और रोए। मैं कहा अपनी किस्मत को हंस रही है, किस्मत को रो रही है, बट शी वॉज वेरी एक्सटैटिक। एंड देन व्हाइल ऑल दिस सेरेमनी स्टार्टेड, यू नो, ये हो गया, मैं ऐसे करके बैठा रहा, कोई थोड़ा सा भी ऐसे होता तो ऐसे कर देता, थोड़ा सा हाथ ऐसे होता है वो ऐसे कर देता। इट वाज लाइक, यू नो, यू कांट मूव।
कितने घंटों तक ऐसे बैठे रहे आप?
दो घंटे।
And we lessen the time, huh?
अब लेसन द टाइम फॉर मी। और फिर एक सनसनी सी हो गई पूरे उसमें। Everybody was going like that, and I'm sitting like this. क्या हो गया? फिर then I realized she's coming in. Then she comes, and I'd also not seen her like that. And she came, and I looked at her like that. She started smiling, and I was like, don't laugh, don't laugh. इसको बहुत डांट पड़ी उस दिन, because she was like,
I was
You're
finding
also
it,
not supposed to move, is
no,
it?
you have to be serious.
I have to be very serious, but मैं कैसे I can't stop my dad sent people, like I think my brother came.
Yeah.
Just don't laugh.
Don't laugh. It's your marriage. What kind of person are you? What kind of girl are you? Then I stopped looking at her. मैं कहा मैं तो नहीं देखूंगा.
And मैं सबको देख रही हूँ कौन आया है, कौन नहीं
Yeah,
आया
she's
है.
making me laugh also.
He was like sitting so still, like, you know, very nice groom, and मुझे हंसी आ रही थी उसको देख के, because he can't sit still.
Yeah.
He's a very, very fidgety person.
And then there is a lady guiding her also. Through the fairas, she has to go like this.
She was directing.
Every step, she's doing it in front of her, so she does it properly. And I could hear the whole time she's going. Whatever she's saying in Manipuri, I didn't understand. But she was saying, "Don't be a schmuck. Do it properly. Move like this." I could hear that intonation. And that Farron or what was that? That Potloy was so heavy.
Yeah.
I was thinking, ये कैसे चल रही है? And then they put a thing behind her. She has to take Farah. She has to throw flowers on my face. And she's hitting my face. And she was scolding him to do it properly. So I was a good Methi groom. I don't know whether she was a good Methi bride or
I
not.
didn't-
I can say that with a guarantee. I didn't have to do much.
छोटा कुछ होने वाला है, because he didn't know the ritual. Actually, our
Yeah.
wedding is full of rituals from morning to night. पूरा ritual है. Even after that, also you फेरा.
Yeah,
also
so
he had to
फेरा
do.
वेरा उसका हुआ. उसके बाद I come back and then I was so stiff. My friend Jay was massaging my back, my legs. और जो players होते हैं वहाँ पे, her father, her
Midang
brother,
players.
Midang players, they're all there. And then I have to do a full-on push-up namaskar without the thing falling. So I was like, you know, I said, thank God.
The turban can't fall.
It can't fall. So you have to go really down, but you have to keep your head up and all that.
So you show
that's
respect
when,
to the whole entire.
So I had to bow
I
down.
wish I was invited.
I
for
was
this
doing
wedding.
this namaskar to her brother, her father, and the Vidang players and all that. But it was, I am so itni achhi ceremony. The venue was so beautifully decorated. It was so tastefully done. She was in the details of that. Her friends helped her a lot. So it was a really well organized, and my parents were in awe. कि यार इतने civilized लोग हैं ये. इतने अच्छे.
Say it in Haryanvi ना, पापा से सब सुथरे सब.
हमारे ब्याह में तो 5-10 सुथरे लोग आवे हैं, यार तो सारे सुथरे हैं. सुथरे means beautiful. At the reception, they were saying nice things, and he says कि ये हरियाणा वाले ही इस violence की situation में यहाँ पे आके शादी कर सकते हैं और कोई नहीं. Which was a compliment also, and it was a tough time, and हमें लग रहा था कि.
Actually, we postponed the marriage also because of the violence. We kept it
But
under
it did,
wrap.
I feel it brought a little warmth and attention to that turbulent state at that time. Bit of peace, bit of something to celebrate. And जैसे ही हमारा शादी खत्म हुआ ना, we could hear guns. You know how everybody knew over there. It was like we could hear the guns everywhere. So that was like, I married the Queen of Manipur.
So we saw the pictures and we were like, wow, this is so sweet. So we had to do this brunch today. आप दोनों एक दूसरे के कल्चर्स को जानते हैं थोड़ा बहुत. देखना चाहूंगी कि एक दूसरे की लैंग्वेज जानते हैं या नहीं और कितना समझते हैं. So I've got some chits.
Okay.
I think it's a very tough
This is
job.
Haryana versus Manipur. Like every boxers, every sports people.
हमारे रिसेप्शन जो बॉम्बे में हुई थी, which was also, I mean, so well organized by her. तो वहाँ पे एक मेरे दोस्त है, इंटरनेशनल बॉक्सर है, नीरज गोयात. वो आके उसने बोला, भाई बॉक्सर तो इंडिया में अच्छे हरियाणा के हो हैं, के मणिपुर के हो हैं. So he brought us 2 boxing gloves.
यूज आते हैं बॉक्सिंग
मैं कहा maybe when we have a baby it'll be born with a boxing glove. I don't know.
So I've got some chits here.
दूध दही का खाना और अखाड़े का जमाना.
दूध दही का जमाना और
दूध दही का खाना और अखाड़े का
अखाड़ा
जमाना.
means gym, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
right, correct.
1 point for Liz.
But हरियाणवी is very easy. बेरा पड़ गया के? बेरा पड़ गया के means पता चल गया क्या? जिसने आता है गूंदना उसने छुरी चलानी भी आवे.
जिसने आटना गूंदना आता है
उसको छुरी चलानी भी
उसको
आती.
छुरी भी चलाना.
Very good. 2 more point. कितना है?
खा जा रही है.
रोटी राटी खाई या न्यू अंडे है
खाना खा लिया?
या न्यू अंडे है?
ऐसे ही है क्या?
ऐसे ही घूम रही है.
ऐसे ही घूम रही है.
हाँ.
Okay, let me ask. Chacha Arabra.
चाचा रे ब्रा means खाना खाया कि नहीं?
In every question we
Yeah.
put BRA bra.
Okay.
Chacha Arabra nunga. So he knows this is a question.
The language of love doesn't need words.
ठीक है एक पढ़ लेते हैं. ऐसे आम न फजे बनी. ऐसे आम फजे बनी.
I'm going to go sleep.
हट.
Oh, am I looking beautiful?
I am pretty.
Oh, you are pretty. Yes. So, yeah.
How do you say I love you in Haryanvi?
हरियाणवी में तो प्यार का लव का शब्द नहीं होता.
Oh, Aina Nangbu Nungshi.
You love me. Yeah.
Good job.
हरियाणवी में होता है कि लाड लड़ाना होता है. प्यार
भी
करूं.
लड़ाई?
लाड मतलब ये बच्चों को लाड लड़ाते हैं ना.
हाँ.
वैसे लाड प्यार. प्यार नहीं होता.
रोमांटिक वाला प्यार.
नहीं.
नहीं.
रोटी बना रहे जाके. आजकल होता है. पहले तो कहाँ इनके कल्चर प्यार व्यार एक्सप्रेशन नहीं होता था ना.
But are you expressive? Is he expressive? Is he romantic?
I don't know, romantic in the sense like in a like candle gifts. ये बिल्कुल नहीं करता है. He's very practical when it comes to that. But he's very affectionate. He'll hug me like in the middle of the day,
Yeah.
give me a few kisses and just run away and
And make fun of you.
make fun of me.
Which is a Haryanvi way of showing love.
Love. It's very sweet that he buys me like little trinkets. That's a different side of him. He find a jewelry shop. He knows that I love jewelry, so he'll go and buy something on his own and he'll give it to
sweet.
me every trip.
You can't imagine a Haryanvi boy walking into a jewelry store and buying little jewelry for his wife.
करना पड़ता है भाई. करना पड़ता है.
Gun point.
Lynn, I've heard so much about your food. Now I am very curious to try some Manipuri food.
Yes.
That made Randeep fall in love with you.
Sure, let's do that. Let's do that.
begin the Sunday brunch.
Hi, chef. So Kamya, we couldn't go to Manipur, but I brought Manipur to you, to Bombay. Chef Nikesh is here. So he studied in Italian culinary and all of that. बहुत कुछ सीख के आया. फिर finally calling आया Manipur से, and he's expertising himself. Like he's doing really well.
This is called
Singju.
Singchu. Okay.
Sinju.
Singju.
Sinju. Okay.
So
Great.
it's a typical Manipuri snacks. Even our snack is healthy.
Yeah.
It has-
It's so healthy. I'm shocked. I'm so ghee paratha. What soup is this?
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Shrimp comes what?
Wow.
Usually
So good.
eaten with rice, but can also be eaten
As
as it is.
Okay. It's really good.
Wow, chef, this is amazing. बहुत अच्छा है.
It has got lotus roots.
Mhm.
It has got banana blossom, cabbage, pea shoots, and that's the base of the salad.
Okay.
And the dressing which we use is perilla seeds with toasted besan flour.
So is it true कि Manipuri food also is made with a lot of natural resources जो आसपास
Oh, yeah.
में होता है?
So Singju means mix.
Right.
So we have used some ingredients from Bombay also,
Yeah.
and we've sourced some from Manipur. It has full of fiber.
Yeah.
And perilla seed has natural oil in it, so it's a combination of good health in it. Really nice.
Nice, and it tastes so good. Healthy and tasty
Yeah.
food,
What's this?
definitely.
That's
Aloo chop?
Aloo chop.
That's my favorite.
Potato nuggets, basically, the Manipuri style.
I think Randeep's idea कि आपको एक रेस्टोरेंट शुरू करना चाहिए. You should take it seriously.
This is our snack.
This is your snack. I can't wait for the main course, guys. This is Manipuri food for you. You have spent a lot of time in Mumbai, right?
Hanji.
कि मणिपुर में ज़्यादा time spent किया है. How has your childhood been?
I was all over actually. I was in Jamshedpur, I was in Nagaland, then I came to Bombay, then I went to New York. So, and wherever I went, food was something that I looked forward to. Like when I was modeling in New York, I couldn't eat anything,
Yeah.
and all I ate was dahi and
What do you like?
चम्मच से दुखी हो गया.
We need a nice Manipuri restaurant in Mumbai. Liz, you have to do this. The onus is on you now.
Coming from you,
Yeah. No, really.
eaten
It's
so
so
many
good.
types of food.
This is amazing.
This photo is great.
आपने कुछ इनको हरियाणवी खिलवाया है या नहीं? आई नो आप इतनी करते हैं थोड़ी बहुत.
So
मैं ही तो खिलाता हूँ घर पे बना के काम करके आता हूँ, फिर रात को आके खाना बनाता हूँ.
वेलकम टू मैरिड लाइफ. यही होता है.
he did introduce me to a few food that's like became our staple diet.
ऐसा नहीं है, मैं किचन में बहुत कम जाता हूँ.
नहीं, but
जाते ही नहीं.
पराठा, हाँ, he doesn't go to kitchen, he doesn't know where वो पानी क्या कहाँ रखा है. खाली एक ही जगह मालूम है चॉकलेट कहाँ रखी है और आइसक्रीम की जगह कहाँ है.
Really?
और कहीं नहीं दिखता इनको. But when we met and he introduced me to how to eat paratha, I had no clue. I never liked paratha so much in my life. But the way he made it, like, you know, सफेद मक्खन, उसके साथ चटनी मीठी, तीखी, सब कुछ डाल के उसको तोड़ के खाना. And I used to see him and I'm like, मुझे I hated paratha before I met him.
And now
But
you like parathas?
I love paratha now. So that's our cheat meal on Sundays.
Here,
I
this
look
is
like
also
I eat.
amazing.
That's not what I meant. But you do like that paratha and omelette thing.
Oh, that's a healthier version.
This is also so good, na?
What's that? Yeah, you try these chutneys and these. What is this?
That's a fried chicken.
Genius. That's it crispy. Good.
मैं आप लोगों को चॉइसेस दूंगी हरियाणवी एंड मणिपुरी फूड. यू हैव टू पिक वन. ओके, अच्छा, हरियाणवी घेवर या मणिपुरी चाखाओ खीर.
Chakao kheer.
These days, takao kheer. Yeah, Yemen is a bit intense.
बटर चिकन और इरोम्बा.
Iromba for me.
मैं
मणिपुरी
एक बार तो बताऊंगा मुझे क्या कंपैरिजन.
अच्छा, आपको नाम नहीं पता है.
What you had yesterday with the skin fish on the side.
Oh, that's very nice. नहीं, but butter chicken.
अच्छा,
Side change हो गया तुम्हारा.
देसी लस्सी या मणिपुरी ब्लैक टी. चांखाओ.
Desi lassi. I like lassi.
या ओके.
Maybe.
सरसों दा साग या गारी फिश करी विद राइस.
Fish curry. I know your answer.
Tough. It's more inclined to vegetarian.
विलेज लाइफ इन हरियाणा और हिल लाइफ इन मणिपुर.
Oh.
Village life in Haryana is also good, but I enjoy the.
Also, we both love nature.
कैंपिंग अंडर द स्टार्स और रोड ट्रिप्स.
Camping. Under the stars.
Yeah, same.
ट्रैवल के लिए कहाँ जाना पसंद है आप लोग? डिड यू ऑल प्लान अ हनीमून?
Both marriage and honeymoon time I was so busy with work. We went for 2 days to Kunnur. A friend of ours called Royston He's got a nice place there.
Royston and Manda.
We went for a week, 10 days. So what I used to do is to pack our picnic baskets in the morning.
Yeah.
And we didn't go inside the park much.
Yeah.
It was just monsoon coming in. Get a open jeep. So just go through villages,
Yeah.
go through forest areas, go sit on a
Stargazing.
stargazing, sit on a rock. I've got land there, so we'll go camp there. She'll make tea and all that, and then stuff like that. So that was, I think that was one of the best times we had.
Randeep is a workaholic. He cannot live without doing something. He gets very restless. But when we are in forest, it's the best that I get from him, you know. No work,
Best
nothing. Best.
I talk a lot when I'm in the jungle.
Yeah. And I become silent and he becomes talking. Like in general, like I'm very talkative.
It's also the Campari and tequila that I.
Do you have a favorite film of his that you really like?
Charles Shobraj is one of my favorite. He was outstanding and it was one of his best performances, I would say. Next would be Highway.
आपकी अब तक की आपकी कौन सी फेवरेट मूवी है?
I don't think he has. He's very
Lalra.
critical.
Lalrang because it was more based in Haryana culture. There's one time that I got to play with my old crew Haryanvi. That worked out well. I hardly ever got a chance to play Haryanvi otherwise. But it's not that I also like to do different things. Like
Yeah.
fight, accents, walks,
Yeah.
stuff like that. Something which I was advised against.
So you would advise against what? Not to represent
Yeah, you should
Haryana.
look, एक जैसा दिखो, एक जॉनर की पिक्चरें करो, फिर उससे तुम्हारी एक आइडेंटिटी बनेगी. How boring is that? I did not try that idea. and I've made an effort to, maybe too much of an effort to, play very different things. Shoot a Hollywood film, so
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
With John
exciting.
Cena, he's like, he doesn't talk about himself.
This looks very good, chef.
Thank you.
So when you make it at home, do you also present it as fancy as this?
No, especially for you. Khana is ready.
it's also because it's he's
He's here.
he's got a lot to do with the presentation and
Yeah.
But as a community, we also believe in like if you come to eat in our gatherings,
Yeah.
it's the presentation. So that's like fully put on thali and all of that.
Then what is the marination? This green color.
So he's used a lot of herbs, local herbs.
Okay.
From Manitou, and this leaf is turmeric trees.
Okay.
So we usually wrap to get the flavor.
So then let's talk about your work as well. आपने बताया आप इनसे acting school का belief है. So you always were interested in becoming an actor.
Not at all. I was modeling in New York when I discovered acting. I used to have insomnia when I was living in New York. What can I do, And I was like really disturbed. And I went to the agency who sponsored my visa for my modeling. And I told him that I can't sleep at night. So he said, join theatre workshop. You'll be fine.
We did see you in Bollywood films.
Yeah.
Mary Kom, Om Shanti, Rangoon. And I know that you've spoken extensively about, the representation of Northeast should be a little more in Bollywood. What are your thoughts on that? And do you think that is changing?
I've been here for so long. There is a demand. Big shows on Netflix and Amazon, they're picking up Northeastern state as their base storyline, and they're involved in that, and characters are being introduced as from the actual Northeastern, not played by anyone else.
northeastern लोगों को we are so नेपाली stereotype नेपाली जी सब्जी ऐसे करके थे. But now story that is changing. Mainland की scripts में northeastern character लिखे जाते होता है, और जब उनके बारी आती है कास्टिंग की हुई, इन्वेंटली northeastern character को बंगाली एक्टर ले जाता है. So that has to somewhere stop. और वो भी हमारे देश का हिस्सा है, और इसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन बहुत ही
Oh, that's just. And all the stereotyping बहुत है, like you mentioned.
हाँ stereotype बहुत है. मैंने सरदारों की भी ऐसे की भी है, जब सरदार will be a funny character.
Yeah.
So that has changed. So now Haryana has to totally villain that accent.
Yeah.
That is also changing. But other people are saying Patalo Delhi said is a big step on it. यहाँ पे जाओ Warsaw is full of cafes and restaurants, or even other places, Jubilee, but Northeastern नहीं.
That.
So that is, I think, it is a great step to states to introduce people to this cuisine and other cuisines.
Oh, some knots that you're at.
Yes.
That restaurant.
So I've been thinking about it.
I'm suddenly, as soon as you launch it, I'm going to
You
be
have put your early taste stamp on it.
Definitely.
So yeah.
And here we have the main course. Thali.
तो main
Manipuri.
course नहीं आया था. What is this Manipuri food I'm eating? मुझे लगता है मैंने सारी dishes explore कर लिया आज.
नहीं,
This is so
This is the tip of the iceberg.
शुरुआत है कब
Wow.
अभी ये पहला main course है.
अच्छा. Oh my god.
We have mixed vegetarian and non-vegetarian.
Okay.
But the vegetarian version of thali has 108 dishes.
Okay.
So we have used only 6 dishes here,
Alright.
and
108.
108 dishes.
जो भोग चढ़ती है ना हमारी टेम्पल में,
हाँ जी.
तो we choose that there has to be odd number. 108 is बहुत महाभोग जब लगती है ना, तब हमारा 108 ये dishes होते हैं हमारे.
Okay.
ये तो हमने खाली, I think we've chosen 7.
Only 6 dishes.
Thank you for choosing only 6.
Eggplant and badam, simply fried, and we have fish curry, and we have our famous uti. That is dal preparation, but in a different way, Manipuri style dal preparation.
Okay.
And we have pumpkin and mayang tuan, which is which comes from the basil family, and it's available only in Manipur and nowhere else. And we have got our famous iromba, which is the spicy mashed vegetables chutney.
This one, green one.
This one. Oh, this is Iromba. Okay. I've
You've read
heard
about it.
and read so much about Iromba. So how is Iromba made?
Vegetables
Right.
mashed
Yeah.
with fermented fish,
Okay.
and it has got vegetarian version as well.
You spent a lot of time in Mumbai, right?
I grew up in Bombay.
Okay. Which are the places that one must visit when they go to?
Bombay.
Asha, you will know more about Bombay. नहीं पर आप मणिपुर के बारे में बताओ.
Loktak Lake, definitely.
Yeah.
Then there's Sendra. But if you just drive out from Impal city, and every place is a picnic spot. We are nature worshippers. We worship the god of forest before we enter any forest. Even when we go to have a picnic,
Yeah.
we first offer it to the god,
Yeah.
the forest god or
Right.
the river god. So we're very ritualistic.
Got
Oh
the
wow,
dessert.
there is more. Lynn,
Yeah.
what's happening?
अभी तो बहुत बाकी है.
सच में और बस ना अभी इसके बाद.
अरे ये स्वीडिश आ गई ना अभी क्या
हाँ, is this the kheer? The
Yeah,
rice
yeah,
kheer?
One of you.
It's called chakao kheer.
Chakhao kheer.
Chakao kheer.
Chakhao or forbidden rice, purple
Why is
rice.
it called forbidden rice?
So they were only eaten by kings and the royal family.
First time my parents saw this, like, what is that?
हाँ.
They're quite thin. When they ate it, it's like, wow. that's-
हाँ.
So it's highly pigmented. It's not, we've not used any color. So why it was called forbidden rice? Because normal, like, folks would not be able to afford it.
It's expensive.
It's expensive.
Okay.
But now it's common. He finishes everything in 5 minutes.
Yeah, look at him. He's only doing one thing at a time, enjoying his meal. क्या आप इसकी रेसिपी बता सकते हैं
Of course.
ताकि हमारे व्यूअर्स अपने घर पर ये बना सकें?
The chakhao kheer is very similar to how you make kheer. It is a kheer only. Half an hour before we switch off the gas, I put like 250 to 300 ml of coconut milk into it.
Okay.
So it adds the flavor of that milky, that coconutty flavor, a little exotic. Fresh coconut that I grated on. Exactly. It's a very similar to how you make kheer. Just
And you use purple rice.
yes, and of
That's
course
the main
chakhao.
ingredient.
Chakhao is the purple rice. That's main. But it's getting popular. You get it on Amazon now. You get it in many other, shopping.
And this pink, the purple color is a natural color
It's
that.
all natural. It's a natural pigment that holds, and it's very rich. So you can't eat a lot. Somebody just finished 2 bottles.
I can eat a donga of this.
Yeah, same.
And this is the last one.
Yeah.
We end the meal with something acidic or sour. So
Okay.
this is tamarind stew.
Ramlin stew.
Both
They
are
never
fun.
give me this at home.
You had it? No, you were not. No, when I prepared it. This is what I prepped. Alicia. I didn't have time to do anything,
Thank you.
but I taught
Lovely.
my chef,
Thank you.
like my chef, to make this.
Right.
So he makes a really good one.
Yeah.
This I have time to do. So this I
This you made? What is it called?
Mangi Mahi. Mangi Mahi means imli ka pani.
Hey, pare.
Which is cheers.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you,
chef.
chef.
I am
It was a pleasure.
Amazing meal. Thank you so much.
It helps you with digestions
Okay.
and cools down your body. The
Okay.
acidic medium from the fruits, and it has got some sugar also, so it
Okay.
balances
Okay, so
everything.
how is it made to answer Randeep's question?
Basically, you stew the fruits in sugar syrup. So
Okay.
you can use pineapple instead of imli. You can use lemon, all sort of fruits that's available. You can use it.
Nice.
So Kamya, I wanted to give you a bit of Manipur. I
Thank
hope
you.
like it.
I'm loving the Manipuri hospitality, I must say.
Baskets also from
This is
Yeah.
basket is also from Manipur, but this
Oh,
is
wow.
a very typical Manipuri shawl that we have. These are the weavers.
Wow, beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. This is called Moirang Peak.
You're making me feel very special. Thank you.
You are very special.
Thank you. Love it.